Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making chocolate fudge cake donuts. Feel free to ice them with whatever you want. I will be putting a chocolate icing on mine to make them extra chocolatey, because you can never get enough of, you're right, chocolate. Yes. These donuts come together very quickly. Do you have a donut pan? If not, no worries. You can use a muffin pan to make these, and you can have chocolate fudge muffins. Delicious also. Just don't forget to grease the pans a little bit first. I'm also making them because, oh, mercy, mercy me. These donuts are everything they should be. Chocolatey, delicious and scrumptious, irresistible, and I can't seem to ever get enough. Oh, mercy, mercy me. Mercy, have mercy on me. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Dutch processed if you can find it. If not, regular cocoa works just fine. 1 1/3 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup light brown sugar. 1/2 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon of espresso powder. This is the big difference maker in every single chocolate recipe, just like in my butter pecan cookies recipe. 1/2 cup chocolate chips, flavor of your choosing. These are semi-sweet. Whisk together. Two large eggs. 1/3 cup of milk. Teaspoon vanilla extract or paste. Teaspoon of vinegar, white or cider. If you remember from the chocolate chip cookie recipe, this balanced it all out. Whisk together. Add the wet to the dry and mix so you can no longer see pieces of the egg. Add in 8 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. You just want it to get to the point where it is well combined. I am going to pipe the dough into the donut wells only because I know my strengths and weaknesses at this point, and getting ladles into donut wells is not one of them. Now, each donut well is supposed to have 65 to 70 grams of batter. I'm using my handy dandy scale to help me figure this out, but feel free to just guesstimate. But I figured I'd be a little scientific this time, because I never am. Once around gets me exactly to 64. How about that? All right, here we go. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Don't overbake. Time's up. Toothpick test time. It's coming out pretty clean. Let's take them out. Let them sit for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to turn them out. At this point, the donuts are hot. Who doesn't like a hot donut? You could immediately shake them in a bag full of granulated sugar and call it a day and eat them right then and there. Or you could do what I'm doing. I'm making a chocolate glaze on top. Chocolate and chocolate equals chocolate. Now for that icing, a cup of chocolate chips. Again, your choice. These are semi-sweet. 4 tablespoons of milk. This is whole milk, but feel free to use whatever you want, or 1/2 and 1/2. Microwave on 30-second increments until you start to see bubbles and a little bit of steam. You could also do this on the stovetop. There are bubbles and it's hot. Mix all together. You could spread the icing on, or you could dip the donuts in it. You could keep your donuts just like this, or sprinkles. Look how pretty these look. They smell chocolatey delicious. I can't wait to taste them. Let's give them a try. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to take another bite. That is chocolatey, delicious. Mercy, have mercy. For real, have mercy on me here. The chocolate cake of the donut is really moist and tender and chocolatey. And that chocolate icing on top takes it to another level. And sprinkles, can I not say enough about sprinkles? Sprinkles make everything delicious. But these donuts don't need the sprinkles because they are delicious on their own. Oh, yeah. Have I mentioned that I have never made this recipe before? Yeah, like always. So if I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram. And those song requests, I'm waiting.